Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use PayPal with Wells Fargo Active Cash Card step by step clearly. Start by logging into your PayPal account. Open a web browser and go to the PayPal website. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section of your PayPal account. Click on Link a bank or card. Choose the option to link a card. Select debit or credit card. Enter your Wells Fargo Active Cash Card information. Fill in your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Make sure the billing address matches the address on file with Wells Fargo. After entering all necessary information, click Link Card to proceed. PayPal will verify your card information. Once verified, your Wells Fargo Active Cash Card will be linked to your PayPal account. You will receive a confirmation once the linking process is successful. Next, you can use your PayPal account to make purchases with your linked card. To do this, simply select PayPal as your payment method during checkout. Your Wells Fargo Active Cash Card will automatically be used for transactions. If you need to remove or manage your card later, return to the Wallet section. Click on the card you wish to edit or remove. Follow the prompts to manage your linked card settings as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.